Hey guys, I am testing out a new configuration and I've got some things that I want to show you today. I'm pretty excited. I tell you what, I'm going to test this and see how it's going. Hey Jeff, can you look on Facebook and see if I'm live on the Wonder Basement? I'm super excited. It's Friday, fun day, and I've got some new product in from the catalog, from the 2022 catalog. So I want to show you some things, but I'm trying out a new camera and setup, and so look at this. I think you'll be able to see my things much clearer. Oh, am I up? Okay. Yay! I'm here. Okay, well, I'm going to get started and show you some of my new, some of the new bundles that I purchased. I'm super excited here. I'm going to sit up a little bit. Okay, so the things that I purchased, and there's, if you're a demonstrator, then you can pre-order from the new catalog starting April 1st. So that would have been yesterday. And I overnighted these things because well, here, I'm going to talk to you a minute. I overnighted these things because it's always fun to get them, and sometimes shipping can get really sluggish, that's a good word, by the end of when all the demonstrators are placing their orders. So you can order certain bundles just like you would in the catalog. And so I'm going to switch over now so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got the Pansy Patch and Color and Contour. These are some really cute things. And hand pen petals. And let's see, this special days die. I'm not sure what this one is. I had, if you're wondering where I've been, I had some hand surgery at the end of February because I had a trigger finger, and so I've been recovering from that. Prior to that, we had a wedding in the family. Patrick got married to my lovely daughter-in-law, Olivia. Okay, this is not what I think I ordered, because this is the raccoon. This is not what I ordered. Sherry, look what I ordered. How in the heck did I do that? This is on brand new stuff. This one is actually being discontinued. And I laugh. I tell Sherry and Susan all the time, I don't like to stamp rodents. But I know some of them are cute, but you know, I'm from the country and raccoons get into everything. So anyway, I'm sorry, I digress. All right, I'm going to go back. We're going to pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Oh, this trio of tags. I got this. This is really cute. Well, shoot. My hands are a little stiff today. Okay. I'm going to just open all of these. Oh my gosh. That is not what I wanted either. I'm going to have to look at my order. This is weird. Okay, this says Pansy dies, so that is bizarro. I don't know what happened there. Good thing that Stampin' Up's a great company and you can exchange things if you need to when you order 3 things of the same thing. Okay, this is more like it. Look at this beautiful pansy die. So that is going to cut out all of your flowers, and you're going to have little you'll be able to do little painted ladies. So that will be really cool. The sayings and the font are really cute. This is going to be a fun one to use, guys. And I think all of these fit in the little mini cut and emboss machine, which is super duper cool. It's just so cute. You can take it anywhere you go. Oops, sorry, that was loud. All right, I may or may not have had a Starbucks coffee, so if I seem a little jittery, that could be a possibility. All right, here are the hand pen petals. dies. Oh, these are so pretty. I know they are. Oh, look at that. I love it. And this is a really pretty stamp set. And I think this one's photopolymer. Yep. I don't know if the pansies, I don't know if they were, yep, they're photopolymer too. So I think I may try and stamp that one just here in a second. And then the contour and coloring bundle. This one has some beautiful framelits. Oh. All right. Oh yes, I love me some good frames. That is amazing. Oh, look at this pretty scallop too. This one I think may not go in the mini, so you probably need the regular cut and emboss for that. Okay, one thing I want to show you is when I get my dies, what I do is I put this down and I flip these over so that I can see in the I put the saying on one side and then I can see what they are on the other, and then I just store them like that. And let's see, these are also photopolymer, so this is going to be fun. And I've got the new in colors are fantabulous. They are so beautiful. So here we have soft succulent. And then we have Evening Evergreen, Pale Papaya. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Barely Banana. I don't know what it looks like when it's inked, but it just, that's a flashback if for those of you who have been stamping a while. This is Polished Pink and Fresh Freesia. So a beautiful color play here. I love, there's blends that go with these. So we've got that. And then we also have some in color jewels that are fabulous. Okay, so I got a shot in my hand. So this thumb, and I just got it this morning, so this thumb is a little cantankerous. Look at these gems. Can you see how beautiful they are? Look, they're like opaque. Oh, those are gorgeous. They almost look almost fluorescent, but those are going to add some beautiful color to your artwork. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Okay, and then I purchased, these are kind of the basics of what I get when I pre-order things, because I like to have like the whole thing of the in colors. So I get the re-inkers, and I get the markers and the blends. The Stampin' Up markers are water-based markers, and then the blends are alcohol-based markers. So these are fabulous to blend with. These are fabulous to watercolor with. Everything's fabulous today. I think it's a fabulous Fun Day Friday. Okay, so now, oh, let me show you some of the ribbon. I want to, and these are also in the in colors. How pretty is that? Let's see if I've got them. Let me make them the same way. There we go. So these are our beautiful colors, and it looks like it's an organza. It's called Open Weave Ribbon, but let's see what it looks like. Sometimes you just can't tell in the pictures or even in a package. So let's see what this, oh yeah, it's got like an open weave on it on the inside, and then it's kind of, it's gonna fold nicely. It's got a nice drape and hand to it, so that's gonna be really pretty on cards. Love it. All right, so let's see. So here's our stars right here, so you guys can see them. Okay, and then got some more ribbon. This is This is a grosgrain. It's textured ribbon, but it's textured grosgrain. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful that is. Love it. That's going to be beautiful. I may throw a quick card together here in a minute if I'm feeling... Okay, Jeff, it says I lost the connection. I don't know what happened, if we're on live still yet or not. I'm having my darling husband over here check it out. I'm just going to keep going. Let's see. And if you want to ask any questions or anything, I'm not looking at Facebook right now because that's a whole nother technological leap. And so I will answer all the questions after I'm finished. Okay, this is another beautiful one. This is the Pale Papaya and White. And it is woven ribbon. So this is beautiful too. Okay, I'm going to try and reconnect this camera. Let's see, why did that not come through? You just never know. Let's see. Try to get that connected again. Ah, there we go. Oh, we're a little crooked. Let's see what I can do here. This is a really great, there we go. This is a really, it's a great tool, but I'm still getting used to it. Okay. Oh, I can already tell this is beautiful. This is Heather, Highland Heather, and it is, ooh, it's a grosgrain, but it's a sparkly grosgrain. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, with this spray. Look at this, guys. I'm even going to put this up here. Look how pretty that is. It's just so lovely. I love all of it. I am a ribbon person. I love me some good ribbon. Okay, and you will not believe some of the cutest little trinkets. Ooh, they remind me of some bumblebees we had, except they're a bright matte brass. So they are quite lovely. Love, love, love. And then let's see here. These were in a kit last year that I was like, oh my goodness, why don't we have these? So we got them this year. Look how cute they are. They're so pretty. And they're hard, like enamel, I don't know, resin. They're super cute. Loose flower flourishes and bumblebee trinkets. Loving them. And then, of course, we've got some silver and clear epoxy elements or essentials. So we've got the teardrop and the diamond shapes. Those are lovely. And then these are wonderful gems. I think these coordinate with the hand penned petals, which I'm getting ready to switch to our paper. And let's see here. Not sure why. It's only letting me use one thing. All right. Okay, well, we'll just work with it. Okay. Oh, I love these gems. I love, 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 love them. All right. I'm going to scooch these things out of the way. And we'll just, oh, one thing I want to show you guys, on our ink pads, if you ever wondered how to actually put these together, there is a sticker sheet on the back. Actually, if I can get hold of it. Okay, so there's a sticker sheet on the back that you can pull off. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. And what I like to do is I always like to put my color on the end that opens, because this is the end that opens. So I am going to put on here soft succulent. There are 4 different languages on here, so you can use these for other things, or you can get rid of them. Just up to you. So these, oh, I'm totally dead, Jeff. What is going on? I don't know why it's dropping. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So here you'll always know when you stack your pads up where they are. And then...
You're still broadcasting. The camera just dropped out.
Okay. I don't know why it's dropping out. Okay. So here are the other ones. So it has 3 other languages. And then on the bottom is just a plain one. And so what we like to do is we like to have it and put it... Oh, you guys can't see where I am. I'll switch back. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm just going to hold it up like this and so you guys can see. So then you just put the color here. So that way when you're sitting and you're stamping, you can see the color of the actual pad, because sometimes, you know, like reds are all kind of a red color, and then, you know, this is green, but it looks kind of black. So sometimes you don't know which one you're stamping with. But if you have this little tab here, then you're good to go. I am going to stop this, and I'm going to finish these pads, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the paper, because it's pretty fantastic. And I think I'm going to make a quick card. And I'm also going to see why my camera is dropping in and out and see if I can figure that out. So I will talk to you later in just a few seconds. I'll be back. And if you have any questions, oh my goodness. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll come back and answer them. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye.